Hello?
You sound exactly like the people off that show, the smallest people.
Yeah, like this one with dwarfism or something, like for real.
And then like change this one to low.
God, me and you are right here.
Call Jack.
Hey, have you ever seen the cartoon
Hey,
with
before anything, call Jack.
Get low.
Wait, where is it? It's like you were pressed.
Oh my god.
Come over here and let me wax your butthole.
Yeah, that's what John's dad sounds like.
What?
That's what John here with my dad.
You gotta put
Oh.
I'm just talking about shock, baby.
Oh my god.
He's a bad mother. I'm just talking about shit. Who's got the...
Oh, you did bones, Chico. Smells like chopped and screwed.
Chopped and screwed.
Only to find a bunch of cops like.
Oh yeah, you
I'm gonna lick you. Have you ever had leather sanctuaries?
Yeah.
I'm about to show you. I'm about to learn you, boy.
Don't quit. You should just quote some Saw.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna play a game. All your life, you've lived something, you know, you were down.
Saving the lives of others.
You spent your whole life protecting others. Blah, 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 blah. You spent your whole life watching MTV. Now, see what happens when you're on a reality TV show. For real. You have 30 seconds before the... You have 30 seconds before the contraption tops your head, snaps your spine like a little twig, like the little kid in front of a little twig, and he's about to snap this twig out. He flies over me like that. Nice. Pretty good bad.
Don't tell me on like Family Guy or something. Oh shit. Whoa. Yeah, we need to do that. Where are my keys?
There is no God, only sin.